Telegram Premium Emoji. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can figure out what are the Telegram Premium emojis, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you open up Telegram. Now my current emoji is set to a blue check mark, and if you also want to get such type of check mark, you need to subscribe to Premium. These are simply some of the premium emojis and the animated icons that you can use here. So basically what you can do is you can go to settings here, and then you scroll down, go to Telegram Premium. Make sure you subscribe to Telegram Premium first, because without the premium you will not be able to get it. So if you subscribe to Telegram Premium by entering a legal payment method and so on, and once you have done that, you will be able to get Telegram Premium. From there, just tap the three lines option, tap on change status, and then you should be able to change to any of the other emojis. You also have premium emojis whenever you are on a certain chat over here. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.